Whoa! All right, what's going on, guys? My name is Alex Whittick, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am super excited. My buddy Vince came up for the day. You guys saw us bag this car a while back, and he brought his Golf R. This thing is absolutely insane. Stage 2. It's making about 420 horsepower, almost 400 torque. It's absolutely crazy. I'm going to a car meet tonight. Vinny is not going to be joining us on that. We're going to go for a rip in the Golf R. I'm super excited for that, so we're gonna see where today leads us, and stay excited. Make sure you guys like the video. My goal for today is 500 likes, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, because we're gonna be doing content like this all the time. So don't miss out and subscribe. This thing is sick. I'm so stoked to hop into this thing. Dude, it's got like, what is that thing? That's like spaceship type material. All these videos of these cars were taken in Mexico. So we took the cars over to Mexico. It took us a few days to film this, and yeah. Oh my God! Oh my God! What do you think about the smoke rings?
Nuts.
It's so funny.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh my God. Dude, that's so sick.
Penny, how is your experience in the seat and in the car?
Don't ask me that right now. I'm still taking it all in.
These are a small seat. I'm even tight in there. So pray for the man's. His butt is numb, and yeah, like the video. We'll just talk about the Golf R. We're gonna take a couple more rips in it and some side shots on the road. So we're gonna go over what tune is in this car. We're gonna go over the clutch. We're gonna go over the air suspension. So let's walk through this thing, and you guys will see. So Vince has got this whole list of mods out, so we're gonna be going completely over this car, inside and out. Shift knob, shift linkage, exhaust, everything you guys wanna know about this car. This car is still improving. There's constantly mods coming in. Bigger turbo is coming. We're gonna go over all that stuff, so stay with me, and let's go over mods on this car. So what kind of wheels are these, and what size are they?
They're 19x9 Audi inch rotors with an offset of 33, square setup, the whole car.
These guys, we're gonna hop into this TSI. We're gonna go over all the current mods that he has. There's constantly mods changing on this car, which is really cool, and I'm a really big fan of this setup, so let's go over it. All right, so what kind of intake do you have on this car? This thing's pretty cool and pretty sleek. I like this thing a lot.
This was the Gen 1 integrated engineering intake. They currently upgraded it, or updated I should say, with a new heat shroud that comes along the front of here, which I'd like to get an update. I paired that into a integrated engineering turbo inlet, which is this metal coupling pipe here. Airflow, better diameter into the turbo. Turbo Smart EM plumb back blow-off valve. So that's dual port for the diverter valve, so it kind of recirculates the air better instead of just blowing into the atmosphere. The air then goes into this turbo outlet pipe. That one comes down into the integrated engineering intercooler with the FDS. And the cool thing about that is it has the fins on the inside of the pillars to kind of get the airflow to the top of the intercooler.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Instead of just, you know, kind of funneling it in. And before I go any further, I have a Boomer short shifter here. It's a little cheaper one on the other ones. I know like Spoon and a couple other brands make them, but it does the trick personally for the short shifter. Side there, I did a new South Bend Stage 3 Endurance clutch.
Yeah, that thing feels awesome when you're ripping.
I got the new charge pipe. Tommy's actually painting it red now because I couldn't get the red one.
Yeah.
So that's the stock one, but that will be changed out. I got a boost tap coming in too eventually. I'm gonna pair that to my P3 gauge. I'll run that through the firewall once that comes in. Under here, multi-port injection, that's going to get hooked up and tuned once it's installed. I got to get it tuned once I get the big turbo and the new fuel pump kit, which I'm looking to do in the future with the big turbo kit. I don't know if I want to go with DBV2 or 600. But yeah, I'm still looking around.
Yeah, this TSI is this thing's a monster. It's honestly the fastest car I've been in a while. The last fastest car I've been in is a 900 horsepower GTR, and that thing was insane. And this thing feels way more gripped up and like way more linear power, so I'm really into the whole TSI R motor, and yeah, Vinny's got a sick car. So this thing's got an awesome downpipe. You want to tell me about that?
Yeah, so that's an APR catted downpipe. The high flow, I think it's 300 cell. All of this is hooked up to the IS38, which is the stock turbo from Volkswagen. GTIs come with the IS20s. I have it tuned by United Motorsport from A2B Tuning up in Stanhope, running about 28, 29 pounds of boost. I'm getting good air temperature now. After I did the intercooler, I actually noticed a pretty consistent reading. It's about 20 degrees above ambient temperature. It stays pretty consistent. Hotter days, it's been pretty hot out lately, so it's been a good time to test it out and see if it works. A little exterior mod, I just did it doesn't really do anything.
Yeah, these are awesome. The little eyebrows on the headlights. These things are sick.
Those up. Thought that would be cool to throw on there. Then I have the airlift 3P management system. I ran the lines through the car to the top of the bags and down. It did bulkhead fittings in the rear. It has the airlift performance front struts, rear struts, and it came with the lower control arms too. So I think it's about an inch lower with the custom control arms they have. Okay. And that's paired with the 3P management system. And I threw it on that Pro Clip mount, just like if anybody ever wants to do anything with their phone or whatever, Pro Clip makes a good mount with the magnet backs for those.
That's awesome. I love the Alcantara BFI shift knob you got here. That thing is awesome. And then you've also got that clutch stop, right? Well, who makes the clutch stop?
ECS made that. That was just a little thing to kind of get rid of dead pedal travel. Better shift times. I noticed it helped a little bit just to, not beat on the clutch too much and stuff. Shout out
ECS Tuning, link in bio. Go buy your parts today because a lot of these parts on this car are sold on ECS, and I'm affiliate marketing with them. So if you guys want any parts from ECS Tuning, hit the link in my description and definitely go buy you some parts. But
I have the HPA dog bone mount.
Awesome.
I'm looking to do the engine mounts too eventually. Don't know which ones I want to go with yet, but I'm looking into those right now. The P3 gauge, I'll start it up just to show you how it works. Ambient temperature, the map sensor I picks it up off of, ignition timing, throttle, RPM.
So what kind of exhaust is this? Because that thing sounded crazy.
It's the AWE switch path. I got the 102 millimeter black diamond tips on them.
That's the 3-inch exhaust, right? All the way back?
Yeah, all the way back.
Yeah, the 3 inches sounds crazy. My brother has a similar exhaust, the APW exhaust on his Audi A4, and it's just, I love that exhaust system. It's really good. And what kind of diffuser is this?
Maxton series.
Guys, don't forget to like this video. I'm really enjoying this Golf R, and let me know if you want to see more car reviews like this of other vehicles, and suggest what kind of cars you want to see down below. OMG, not an R. I really like that. What was the inspiration for this one?
I don't know. I just thought of something ignorant and threw it on there.
Yeah, no, this thing is awesome. No, it's sick. I really like this car a lot. See, future mods coming. We will document all this stuff if you guys want. Let me know if you guys want to see me do the mods with him, and we'll make some videos on it because Vince has got a shop that he can go to, and we can even do a lot of this stuff in the driveway. So comment down below if you guys want to see that. So guys, if you guys saw the videos a little while back when I had like 4,000 subscribers, I actually helped him bag this car, and I did all the cutting for this. So I had made a little bit of an overcut, but I had to because of this bolt right here. So this isn't perfect, but it came out really well. And then he has a 3P system under here, 3P, right? So he has a 3P system right under here. And as far as the tint goes, guys, it's 5% all the way around, and he doesn't have any tint on the windshield, and honestly you don't really need it when you have all the side windows because it doesn't come in from the side. This is 5%, so this thing's like limo right here. This is super dark. Do you have tint on the back as well? Because I can't see in there.
Yeah, I was thinking of doing the windshield. I was maybe doing like a light 50 or something. I don't know.
Yeah, no, this car looks absolutely insane, dude. Wow. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go out and we're gonna do some rips. We're gonna get some out of the car footage, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Oh! Yes! We need a Golf R on the channel permanently, like something for me to freaking drive. Oh my god. He said I could drive it. I don't want to drive it today. I want to leave that for another video on another day. So let's wait for him to come back. Cool little Beetle. That thing is insane. Jeez, it's going to pick me up. This thing is so sick. Dude, this thing is wild. This thing is nuts. 29 pounds of boost this car is built. Oh guys, I'm gonna put the side skirt back on the Tilted TDI. Vince is out of here. He's going home. He's actually going to Connecticut. That's enough of his own personal information for you guys. But Vince, dude,
I'll see you, buddy.
Thank you for coming, dude. It was great seeing you, bro. And we'll see him again. So throw it down in the comments if you guys want to see his car more often. The question is, will he rub? Will he rub? Oh no, we're good. Peace out, dude. That thing is insane. All right, guys, so now that Vinny is gone, we're gonna be putting the side skirt back on this car. It blasted off when I snapped the control arm, it kicked back, broke the mount, broke a whole lot of stuff. So I'm gonna mount that side skirt up right now, and later on tonight, we're gonna be going to a car meet, which will be in a few seconds for you guys, but I'll probably film me heading out, and then we'll be at the car meet. We'll see a couple friends, see if there's a couple cool cars there. Hopefully there is, and hopefully you guys enjoy the content. If you guys didn't already throw this video a like, please throw a like down below, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe and hit that post notification bell because you don't want to miss out on the rest of these videos. We got a lot of cool cars coming, and if you guys have a car that you want to get reviewed, definitely throw it down in the comments. And I'm in New Jersey, so if you guys are in some kind of local state, we might be able to work something out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day. Here, come on, you serious right now?
But dude, don't you see the door?
Oh my god.
Hey,
yo, give us the rundown real quick.
It's Frankie. Follow me real quick. I'm on BC's.
Okay.
On 1552s, running needle tires, 225/40. Socket. Only pushing 1,000 to the wheels.
1,000 to the wheels.
1,000 to the wheels. So let me know once you run it. You gotta give her attention.
What up? What the hell is this?
Stop, you dick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, push the notification bell. Make sure you get to know everything Alex is doing.
Yeah.
Do it.
Alright guys, I'm back home. I left the meet. You guys saw me doing those little pulls on the way home. It was pretty fun. This thing shoots some flames. It holds a flame for a while. We call that in the diesel world lighting the candle. This thing gets really, really hot. I don't even want to know what my intake air temps are. Huge shout out to Tyler Tranfillo. His Instagram is @_BLAZN, all uppercase. It's on the screen right now. I started the new thing where if you comment your Instagram and you also comment a reason on why you enjoy my YouTube channel, I pick the one I like the most, and I shout you guys out in the video. Tyler told me about how much I inspire him and his build and the positive vibes and stuff, and I think that's absolutely incredible. That's the type of platform that I want to create, and the entertainment I want to create. I want to get you guys into the whole zone on working on your cars and having fun. So huge shout out to Tyler. And Tyler, thank you for the kind words. It really meant a lot. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Comment down below what kind of builds you guys have been working on. You guys are building some really sick cars. I read the comments. I read every single comment, and if I like it, that means I read it. I'm sorry if I don't comment back to every single person. You guys mean so much to me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. Hit your post notification bell. And guys, you guys are just awesome. Don't forget about the 20,000 subscriber giveaway that we're doing with ECS Tuning. They're gonna be giving us a gift basket to give back to one of you guys at 20,000 subscribers. And all that takes is make sure you guys are subscribed and your post notification bell is on, and you follow my Instagram @tilted_TDI. So guys, on that note, I'm peacing out. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more content. We got lots more coming. I'm really excited about it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Make sure you guys like the video. Did you like it yet? Okay, you liked it? Okay, see you later. Peace, bye.